So I've got my friends coming over in a few days to try my Frappuccino versus one from Starbucks. I'm fairly confident that my one's going to be 1,000 times better, but I do actually need to get the recipe down. I'm going to try a few different ways of doing it. So I'm going to start off with some ice, milk, and espresso, and I don't want to use something like simple syrup. I'm going to use honey instead, because I think honey is not only tastier, but it's not as bad of a sugar, if there is such a thing. I know Starbucks doesn't use very much coffee in their coffee Frappuccino. It's mostly sugary, sugar, and so I'm going to reduce the sugar and I'm going to up the coffee to the max and make it so that the coffee is a much more important part of that flavor. I also think it's really important to start off in the right place with the coffee itself. So I'm going to dark roast a really nice Brazilian coffee that I have that works really well when it's caramelized and it's got that kind of nice, like just a tiny bit of oil on the surface of the bean. And that coffee is going to be really, really nice for a Frappuccino because it'll have a much stronger flavor to overpower all of the milk and the ice and the sugars and the whipped cream and the dulce de leche. To make the dulce de leche, you need to boil a can of condensed milk in a big saucepan of water. It takes around an hour for a thin caramel, and max about 3.5 hours on medium-low heat for a super thick dulce de leche. Make sure to top up the water and rotate the can so it cooks through evenly. My first one was for about 3 hours and it was almost unpipable.
It's kind of creepy.
So I had to rush out and buy another can to get a nice melty caramel to coat the inside of the cup and drizzle on top of the whipped cream. My recipe is super simple, a triple shot of espresso that's 22-gram basket with 44 grams of espresso out, 4 cubes of ice, 180 milliliters of whole milk, and a teaspoon of acacia honey. I tried guar gum or xanthan gum to thicken the mixture up a bit so the whipped cream wouldn't float beneath the surface, but I didn't like the foamy texture, so I ditched them. Remember, I'm making something that's better than a Frappuccino, not trying to copy it. Blend everything up and that's your coffee base. For the whipped cream, I used whipping cream with a teaspoon of white granulated sugar and a few drops of very nice vanilla bean paste. Vanilla extract is okay too, but I really like the black dots you get with a high quality paste or even real vanilla beans. Go this one first. Alright, what do you think?
No, it's just like sugar.
This one now. Go.
Okay.
You can stop. Oh my god.
I told you I wanted coffee, and this one tasted like coffee.
Which one do you prefer?
That one, absolutely.
Yeah. Why?
I just told you, it tastes like coffee. This one's coffee. This one's sugar.
And then this one has way less sugar. I think I put one...
Don't touch it, it's mine.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Arthur.
I feel so much pressure right now.
Like, really, you just have to say that my coffee's better?
But why'd you give me
Metal
straws?
Because I ran out of normal people straws.
Because of Ben?
Because of Ben.
Other guy. So which one do you want me to try first?
This one.
The whipped cream is really bad on this, so I think this is yours, but... Wait, is there coffee in this? I feel like this is a sugary drink with a little bit of coffee flavor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this guy. Oh, this one's really nice.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, this actually has like that nice coffee aftertaste that's not bitter, but it's really... Okay, one second. Can I take this home with me?
Yeah.
I'll give you the straw, I'll just take it.
No, I'm glad that you both preferred my one. I'm vindicated. It actually was a little bit harder, a little bit more testing than I thought I would need to do, but in the end it was pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm
you
happy.
did a good job.
Thanks guys for coming over. That was awesome.
Can you make another one?
Yeah. Look at that crema! Look at that!
Your face is melting.
My face is
bleeding.
Ouch, Charlie! That really hurt!
Like, your face is kind of off camera and we really want to see that beautiful face.
Yeah,
There we
my
go.
face or this face?
Well,
Yes.
obviously the beautiful one.